Welcome back to ClearTask. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to effectively manage participant controls in Zoom, ensuring your meetings run smoothly and professionally. To begin, open your Zoom application on your desktop or mobile device and start your meeting. Navigate to the bottom control bar and click on the participants icon. This opens the participant panel on the right side of your screen, giving you a full overview of everyone currently in your room. If you need to rename someone or change your own display name, simply hover over the participant's name. Click on the three dots that appear and select Rename. This is particularly helpful for maintaining a professional environment or taking accurate attendance. To bring more people into the active meeting, click the Invite button located at the bottom of the participant panel. From here, you can easily copy the direct invitation link or use the built-in email options to send the details directly to your contacts. Managing background noise is an essential skill for any host. At the bottom of the panel, you will find the Mute All button. Clicking this instantly mutes every participant, which is perfect for keeping the focus on the main speaker during large presentations. For advanced meeting security, click the three dots at the very bottom of the participant panel. This menu allows you to set strict rules. You can choose whether participants are allowed to unmute themselves, prevent them from renaming themselves, or enable the waiting room to control exactly who joins and when. Taking advantage of these built-in controls will help you host more secure and organized Zoom sessions. Thank you for watching ClearTask. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more workflow tutorials.